Hello everyone, today we're going to be drawing a Australian cockatoo, which is a bird. And we're going to start. You will need a pencil and a paper. I'm going to be using a Sharpie, but you need an eraser so you can erase. So we're going to start by drawing the head, which is about a half of a circle. You're going to bring that line down and curve it out a little bit. And that's going to be the body of our bird. And these birds have a little feather that comes up and comes back in, like a little triangle shape and a curve. And then we're going to draw the back of the neck, which is a curved line inwards. And then it comes right back out. Next, we'll draw the wing. So you want to start about halfway into the body of the bird. You want to bring this line out and upwards. And then we're going to connect this line almost to the edge of the paper. Next, we're going to add the feathers. So we're going to add a curved line for the feathers. And that's going to go right here. So 1, 2, and we're going to curve that in until we have an entire wing. And since these birds have really long feathers, we're going to add some more curves for the implied feather texture. So we're going to start here. We're going to go in between the lines we already have, that scallop. We're going to start there. And almost a half circle shape. And then these are going to be an oval shape right under those. And that is the wing of the bird. So we're going to add the tail next, which you can see where this line ends. We're going to imagine that comes down, and that's where we're going to put our mark right under the wing. It's going to come down almost to the edge, and then we're going to meet this line and bring that down so that they're at the same distance. And then right there, we're going to add another curved line for the feathers. Then we're going to add the same curved lines repeating on the tail like we did on the wing. So now we have a bird. We're going to go up to the head right here. We're going to draw a circle for the eye. And then I'm going to draw a tinier circle in here for the pupil. And I'm going to go ahead and color this in so you can see it, but you can wait to color that in the next part. And we're going to give it an eyelash because they have like a feather right there if you saw them in person. And then the beak, we're going to draw a circle right here, a little bit smaller than the eye, and then we're going to draw a smaller circle underneath it. Very similar to like drawing a snowman. And then what we're going to do is off the big circle, we're going to make a triangle. And on the little circle, we're going to make a smaller triangle. I'm going to go ahead and color that in. But if you're using pencil, you can erase those lines to color them in later. And then our bird has a beak. And right across from the wing is where we're going to add the feet. So we're going to draw about a half circle. And then we're going to put a line under it. It's going to have 2 of those. And for their little talons, we're going to add some lines. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And now you have an Australian cockatoo. Come back for part 2 when we color it,